How to prepare an insoluble salt by KayScience.com. Silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. This is the balanced symbol equation. These state symbols of AQ tells us these reactants are soluble solutions, and we know they're colourless. The state symbol of S next to silver chloride tells us a precipitate has formed, and this is a white precipitate. And then the AQ next to sodium nitrate means this is a soluble solution, and we know this is colourless as well. And this is the ionic equation below for the reaction. Ag plus AQ in brackets plus Cl minus AQ in brackets reacts to form AgCl S in brackets.
It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding.
When preparing an insoluble salt, for example silver chloride, we start off with two beakers, one containing silver nitrate solution and the other sodium chloride solution. If they're then mixed together, a white precipitate of silver chloride forms. So this represents a white precipitate of silver chloride. In the next step, we then use filtration. The apparatus required for filtration are a conical flask, a filter funnel, and filter paper. So this is the conical flask, this is the filter funnel, and this is the filter paper. The contents of the products are then poured into the filter paper, where this is the solid white precipitate, which is the silver chloride residue. And then what flows through the filter paper is the sodium nitrate solution. So this is the sodium nitrate filtrate.
It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding.
In the next step, the silver chloride precipitate is then rinsed with distilled water. So here I'm drawing the top of the apparatus where we can see the silver chloride precipitate is rinsed with distilled water. So distilled water is poured onto the silver chloride precipitate so that the contamination can be removed. In the final step, we dry the sample using an oven. The filter paper and white precipitate is placed inside the oven, which is warm, so that the water can evaporate.
It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.